तो कृपया इसमें भी कुछ ऐसा तीर चलाइए कि एक बहुत कीमती हमारे लिए his life is precious. Such people are rare in this world, and therefore we urge you to do something firmly. The Panchayat witnessed participation of river experts, environmental engineers, members of Ganga Yamuna Jat Biradari from different parts of India, as well as members of the Prime Minister's National Ganga Basin Authority and UP Ganga Basin Authority. अब काम की बातें और भी. The following resolutions were passed unanimously to be presented to you, sir, as a charter of Ganga Yamuna Panchayat. 1. Rivers anywhere in the world are the lifeline of any society. However, Ganga and Yamuna are unique, having religious and spiritual significance in the hearts and minds of the Indian people. Unfortunately, these rivers are dying, which is a matter of serious concern not only for the survival of our physical being, but the very basis on which our culture, spirituality, dharma and civilization rests. These dying rivers can be revived and restored as bounties of nature only when the task is taken up as a sacred mission jointly by Sarkar, Samaj and Sants, that is government, the people and spiritual leaders, in all sincerity, as a duty, as a dharma, to be accomplished within a targeted time frame. वैसे तो हम सुनते हैं कलयुग चल रहा है तो ऐसी हरकतें होनी होती हैं, पर फिर भी इतने युगों तक तो इंतजार करने वाले नहीं हैं. The Panchayat considers it a sacred duty to protect and preserve the pristine purity of Ganga and Yamuna. By focusing on Ganga and Yamuna, we do not at all intend to undermine the religious, spiritual, social, cultural importance and significance of numerous other rivers of India. However, we feel the process of rejuvenating these two rivers will inevitably catalyze a similar process for all other rivers as well. 3. Ganga and Yamuna are popularly referred to as nurturing mothers. They cannot be treated as mere resources to be exploited. The government should amend the notification of Ganga Yamuna action plans to give due respect to the dharmic and spiritual significance of these two rivers because they have this special place in the hearts and minds of the people of India. और ये religious significance आपके notification में नहीं है, तो कृपया ये तो हमारे शंकराचार्य जी का विशेष अनुरोध है और उनकी तरफ से सारा ये जो पंचायत है पूरे देश की जनता पूरे देश की इस वर्ड को ऐड किया गया. ठीक है. The three streams, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda and Mandakini must be treated as integral parts of Ganga. 5. The Panchayat is of the protection, revival and rejuvenation of Ganga and Yamuna with all its ecosystems will not only help in solving the problem of drinking water, but will recharge the earth and make water available for rational use in agriculture, thus supporting nation in its endeavour to attain food sovereignty.